Here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, mild air in place right now, but it's about to get very warm around here. And in fact, there's a warm front. It's responsible for bringing the showers, but tomorrow it may bring near record heat. Let's go down and get a look at the details here. We've just seen a few very light showers across the area late this morning and into now this early afternoon. We've got a batch coming across eastern South County through Warwick, East Greenwich, down across Jamestown and Newport. Seeing some along 195 as well as we line out the view here, moving off of the Cape as well. I don't see much more behind this. In fact, things are drying out a bit in portions of Connecticut and even a little bit of sun trying to return. So I look for, again, just that quick shower early this afternoon, and then should be a decent finish to the day. And if enough sun breaks out, I still think we have the potential to hit into the low 70s for this afternoon. Top weather headline just as spring and summer warm. Even today, even with the clouds and the showers around, we're still in the 60s, and the normal high is only 55. Near record highs on the way for tomorrow. Much cooler weather, though, more typical April weather returns by the end of the week. This week we've been keeping an eye on these records to beat. Again, 81 for today. We're not going to come anywhere close to that. But tomorrow at 86, we actually get close to that in spots. At 1991 was the year that record was set, and Thursday was the same year, 87. The record to beat. So city cam out there right now, plenty of clouds around and 62 degrees. The temperatures have dropped a little bit in what we call rain-cooled air, where the rain actually pulls down some cooler air from aloft. So lower to mid-60s. Steve in Warwick says a few drops at 62. Jim in North Smithfield off and on showers at 62. And Kelly in Westport says no sun, but she's dry at 66. And you can see where we're in the lower 60s, Block Island and Westerly, 64 in Smithfield, and 64 right now in Taunton. So again, it's a warm front sitting across our area, responsible for bringing a few showers. Most of the action stays up over central and northern New England, but we just got a few of these stray showers moving into our area. I see more sun over south central Pennsylvania through New Jersey, even portions of Connecticut. So I do think, especially when this warm front starts to lift back north, that will not only warm up this afternoon, but also see a few breaks in the clouds developing as well. Notice all that warm air. You can really see where the boundary is. 50s and 60s to the north of the front, 70s and 80s south of it. That's what's headed our way for tomorrow. So for the rest of this afternoon, 63 at 1 o'clock. Still may see a spot shower around, but should see clouds and some sun mixing this afternoon. And the warmest part of the day may end up being the end of the afternoon. At 5 o'clock, I still have us coming in at around 70 degrees. So 66 in Newport with a little bit of sun returning. 70 in Hope Valley, 72 in Coventry. If it stays cloudy, these temperatures are probably going to end up too warm. A light shower possible early in the afternoon, 73 for Burrillville and Foster, about 71 in Plymouth, 60s out on the Cape. You stay mostly cloudy out here, and you may even catch a sprinkle the next couple of hours in New Bedford, Fall River at 71. Clearing skies tonight, temperatures down into the mid-50s by tomorrow morning. We may see a little bit of fog develop by dawn tomorrow morning, and then we are still looking at highs around 80 to 85 away from the coast tomorrow. Hey, beach goers, I'm sure there's a few of them that may try and get down to the shore. Water temperature is only about 50 degrees, and the temperature at the coast will probably be in the lower to mid-70s, which is still pretty comfortable for this time of year if you're doing a little sunbathing at the beach. We do cool off significantly for the end of the week, just some lighter showers Thursday night through Friday. Your Pinpoint weather station, 24-hour-a-day source for all weather, Cox Digital Cable Channel 125.
Have you ever had to give a beach forecast on April 7th before?
Not very often, I'll tell you that.
Not too concerned about the water temperature this time of year, but maybe hang out down there and read a book or something. Thanks,
Very nice.
Michelle.